Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the fourth installment of the mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. In case we haven't met before, my name is Susanne Netz and I blog at sunstampin.com. I'm a Western Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I conduct most of my Stampin' Up! Business online, except for these lake house events that I facilitate 3 times a year with my friend Terry Hamilton. The card designs in this mini-series are of the 12 make and takes that our attendees participated in. I hope you have fun watching the how-to videos and get inspired to create your own works of art. Of course, all the products used in the demonstrations today are linked below in the description box for easy access to the online store. For today's card, I am featuring the Sending Smiles bundle. So this has the stamp set and it has this fine line detail along with the shadow. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'll die cut. So this is the fine line. It says sending, and I actually have adhesive backing along the back of that. So it's an adhesive sheet, and I'm being gentle when I'm pulling the release paper off of the back side so that I don't stretch out the sentiment. So I'm using my take your pick tool here just to adhere everything together. And I didn't even miss the tittle for the eye. I did find it. All right, so I'm just using the sending as a placement, and I am inking up the birthday wishes sentiment with Old Olive, and I'm stamping that on the top third of the basic white card. Now I'm inking up the large flower stamp with So Saffron, and I'm stamping randomly around the front of the card. There is a smaller flower stamp, and I'm going to use that in a second, and I'm going to ink up with the Calypso Coral ink and randomly stamp around the card front. There is also a flower center. So there, it's like the, I don't know what you call it, the center of the flower, and there's 2 of them, so one big and one small, and I did ink that up with pumpkin pie. So I also, as you can see here, I'm using the leaf stamp with the Old Olive ink, the same that is used in the sentiment, and I kind of filled in the gaps with that. So here comes my flower center. There's a big one for the big flower and then a small one for the small flower. So I'm using pumpkin pie, so slightly brighter orange on this for the center. All right, I'm going to adhere my card front to the gray granite mat, and I'm going to adhere the entire kit and caboodle to the So Saffron card base. Then I'm just going to remove the release paper from the dimensionals on the back of the sending and adhere that to the card. And that, my friends, is the card for you today. Check back with me on Wednesday to see another. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.